Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming, or have been filming, a what I eat in a day. I'm saying that purely because it is already 2:41 p.m. So I've clearly already eaten today, but I've been so busy I haven't got the chance to sit down and film or like talk. So I'm just gonna talk you through my day and what I've done so far. So I woke up and I got my booster shot, which my arm is already a little bit sore from, but that's fine. And I just want to say, go get your booster if you're watching this, and if you are not vaccinated, so you can't go get a booster right now, what are you doing? You were so behind. Please go get vaccinated. Please. And if you are, go get your booster. So that's what I did this morning, and then I came back here and I actually set up my bed and a little bit more of my room, but I'm not going to show you because I will have like a full room transformation video coming out, and I don't want to reveal my room until then. So I came back here, put together my room, and then my mom, one of my friends and her mom came over to see the new place, and then we walked down to a place called the Village Idiot for brunch, I guess. I got their vegan burger, which was like a house-made lentil patty, I think. It was no good. I'm so sorry. I will not be going back there. It was like the bun, lettuce, pickles, some mustard that they gave me that was like really weird mustard, and then the patty that was so mushy. It was not a patty. It was like paste. I don't know. Nothing that I was too excited about. It was not the tastiest thing, but I ate it. It was fine. And it was also $15 and didn't come with anything. Like no fries. Potatoes cost 2 cents. I don't know why they couldn't add some fries on the plate. Would have made it a little bit better, but they didn't. It's okay. And then we were just walking up and down, like going to the shops, and came across Happy Ice, which is a Italian ice place that I've been wanting to go to for the longest time. And I got Italian ice, pineapple, mango, and watermelon with oat milk soft serve. That was delicious. That made up for my not so good burger. But I really wanted to film today because I went out for breakfast, brunch, whatever. So that was fun. And then tonight I have a few friends coming over and we're doing dip night, which I saw on TikTok and I wanted to do, where everyone makes and brings a dip to, not like a party, I don't know, a dip party, whatever. So it's gonna be fun. And there's going to be 6 of us, 5 of us are vegan, so the 6th person is bringing a vegan dip, just so they're not the only one eating it, of course. So I thought it would be a really fun thing to film because you guys get to see 6 different vegan dips. I'm gonna be attempting to make a spinach artichoke dip in a bread bowl, which I could not be more excited about. And that's gonna be at like 7:30 tonight. So I don't really know, I mean, it's already 2:30. Just to let you guys know, this is not going to be a typical breakfast, lunch, and dinner type of video, but that's also to show you guys that not every single person, including myself, eats a normal like meal schedule every single day. That sometimes just doesn't happen. So just to let you know, that's not going to be today. I don't know exactly, I'm not going to call any of my meals breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They're just food that I ate today. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm about to head to Whole Foods because I do not have a lot of ingredients that I need to make my dip. But yeah, let's head to Whole Foods, go get my food for my dip, and then we're coming back here. Just got back from Whole Foods, and you guys know the whole time I was talking about the bread bowl, and then when I get there, their entire bakery case was empty. So it's all sold out. So I got all the ingredients that I needed, but instead I'm going to cut these up into little pieces. So they'll be like pretzel nuggets, I think. I'm a little very disappointed. I wanted to present mine in a bread bowl, but they had no bread bowls to be made or to be bought. So that's tapioca starch. This is for the thing I'm making tomorrow, but I had no idea that Silk had heavy whipping cream. Super cool. And then I got cashews, artichoke hearts. I got some vegan parm, which isn't a part of the recipe, but I need it for something I'm making tomorrow. And I thought it would be good to add in, so I'm gonna add some of that in. But yes, that is the end of my grocery haul. Well, not really. I didn't show you everything I got. But it is only 4 p.m. and people are going to be here until like 7:30. So I'm going to put all this stuff away and go lay down in my new bed because I finally have a bed, guys. I'm not on a blood mattress. And I haven't got the chance to like lay in it at all. So I'm just going to go lay in my bed and watch a couple YouTube videos. And then I'll come back to the kitchen in a bit and start making my spinach artichoke dip. I'm excited. Hey guys, it is time to make my spinach artichoke dip. This recipe is not mine, of course. I'll link it down below. I've never tried it, so it could be good, could be not good. First, I need to chop onion, artichokes, and garlic. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I don't think I'll be talking you through the whole recipe just because it's not mine and the lighting's not great here at night. So annoying. I wish these lights were a little bit higher, but it's okay. I just got marinated artichoke hearts. I'm gonna cut up the garlic and onions, and then I need to make my cheese sauce, which is like the top part of the dip, not the artichoke spinach portion, but there's a cashew tapioca cheese that I'm gonna make in my blender. Then I just mix everything together, put it in the oven, I think. Oh, I'm gonna cook this cheese on its own on the stove because there's tapioca starch, which I've actually never done a cheese like this, but you mix it once you blend it all. You mix it on the stove until it forms like a stretchy consistency. I hope it works. I'm excited. And I brought spinach artichoke dip.
My name is Melanie and I got spicy guacamole with jalapenos, and if you didn't know, you put the pits of the avocado in the bowl to keep it fresh, because a lot of people don't know.
I'm Sam and I too also brought spinach artichoke dip.
Yum!
Ah.
Hello everybody, my name is Brooke. I brought chicken nuggets, queso, and Chick-fil-A guac.
Quiet on set. Thank you. My name is Will, and I brought it's like a tofu. It is tofu. It's like a tofu cake batter dip.
Honestly, it just needs to be a little less thick, and we'd be good.
Ooh, I got a lot.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, is that a lot?
I would
not as like
just full graham cracker. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Full graham cracker.
What are your thoughts?
Not bad.
I don't think it's bad.
Yeah.
Wait, that's just like sugar cookie.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah, mine's really chunky. Like really.
me too. Hands down the best.
Yeah.
Chicken nugget.
I've only
I like
had
these
them once.
flavor-wise.
Love you, Ashley. Love you, Ashley. You're the best. The best. Vegan queen.
Ashley, go. Ashley, go. Ashley, we go. Ashley, we go.